Do you know benefits of portable cabins? Portable cabins are becoming increasingly popular for various purposes. One of the biggest advantages of portable cabins is their versatility. This portable folding concept is the latest trend. It is such a beautiful concept. These structures can be used for a wide range of applications, from construction sites and event spaces to offices, schools, and even homes. They can be customized to meet specific requirements, making them ideal for a variety of purposes. Another great benefit of portable cabins is their mobility. Unlike traditional buildings, portable cabins can be easily moved from one location to another. This means that you can have a workspace or living space set up in a remote location without having to build a permanent structure, and when you're done with it, you can simply move it to a new location. Portable cabins are a cost-effective alternative to traditional buildings. They require less time and money to construct, and they can be rented or purchased at a fraction of the cost of building a permanent structure. This makes them a popular choice for small businesses and construction sites. Portable cabins can be customized to meet specific needs. Whether you need a simple office space or a fully equipped living space, portable cabins can be customized to meet your exact requirements. They can be fitted air conditioning, heating, plumbing, and electrical systems. Portable cabins are eco-friendly. They are made from recycled materials and can be easily dismantled and recycled at the end of their lifespan. This makes them a sustainable option for businesses and individuals who want to reduce their carbon footprint. So, as you can see, there are many benefits to using portable cabins. They're versatile, mobile, cost-effective, customizable, and eco-friendly. After demolishing traditional buildings generates billions of tons waste every year. We can avoid this pollution by adopting prefab buildings. We are a prefab building company based in different countries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.